Welcome back to the channel.
Managing subscriptions and role-based access control in Microsoft Azure by Pay.
Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ipe, and today we are discussing and doing some hands-on on managing subscriptions and role-based access control. Yeah, so let's see what we're gonna do. So in this laboratory, we're gonna learn more about role-based access control, learn how to use permissions and scopes to control what actions identities can and cannot perform. By identities, I mean users, devices, and all of that. Alright, so you also learn how to make subscription management easier by using the almighty management groups. In this lab, you require Azure subscription, and although your subscription or your subscription type may affect the features, all right, but it doesn't really matter. The most important thing is the steps we're going to take, right? So to simplify management of Azure resources in any organization, we have been tasked with implementing the following functionality: creating a management group that will include all our Azure subscriptions, and then secondly, granting permissions to submit support requests for all subscriptions in the management group. These permissions should be limited only to create and manage virtual machine. That's more like the scope, right? Create support request tickets, and it does not include adding Azure providers. Okay, so let's head to the first lab task, which is to implement management group. After that, we will review and assign a built-in Azure role, and after that, we just go ahead and create a custom role-based access control role, and lastly, monitor role assignment with the activity log. So let's head to the first task. So in this task, you're going to create and configure a management group. All right, so you search for Enter ID, and where you have manage, you click on that manage blade. You will see properties. Let's scroll to properties. So you just go ahead and review the area, get familiarized with these areas, okay? All right, so next, next we're gonna look for management groups. Yeah, so we can create one. Create a management group. You can call it, let's just call it Azure 104 management groups. Let's just name it that way. Then the display name should be Azure something. Okay, so we submit that. Once that is done, you can go ahead and click a refresh button to check out if that has been created and that has been deployed and populated on the list of management groups you have. Currently, we have just one. All right. So let's go ahead and click on refresh to see our new management group. I'll click on that again. Where is our management group? Okay, here you go. Yeah, sometimes you have to be patient. So it's here. Yeah, so the next, I don't intend this video to be very long. But let's just review. Let's go ahead and do task 2. In this second task, we're going to review the built-in roles and assign the virtual machine contributor role to the member of the help desk. So Azure provides a large number of built-in roles. You can go ahead and read up on that on Microsoft Learn. Alright, so let's select our management group, and then we're going to select the IAM access control. Selecting the blade will bring us role tabs, so we can click on roles. Go ahead and do a thorough review. You can check the roles, check them out, understand each of them. Okay, you can even check the JSON format, just play around them. All right, so sometimes you often use the owner, contributor, and reader roles. All right, so let's just click on this and see. Yeah, you can see assignment, none yet. All right, so let's just select add. Just click on add role assignment. Okay, under the role assignments, we'll search for virtual machine contributor. Virtual machine contributor, here you go. All right, okay, so you click on next. Members, remember we're going to add it to the member of the help desk. So select member, we'll search for help desk. That is who we want to, not the application body identity now, not the user principal or the group, rather the help desk department or group. All right, okay, selected. Just go ahead and click review. Click it again. Once you assign that, we go back to the access control blade. All right, so you click on the access control blade again. On the role, access control, on the role assignment tab. All right, you should see the IT desk, so you can see, so you can confirm that the IT desk has this role assigned to it. The help desk group has this role assigned to them. All right, okay, that is it for that. On the next video, we're going to talk about creating a custom role-based access control. I don't intend this video to be very long. If you found this video interesting and worth learning from, go ahead and share, like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is Sikan Ikbe, and I'll be glad to continue sharing knowledge in these areas. Thank you.